take a look at this beautiful parrot face paint that Simone has created for us today. And the big fun of this parrot is that it starts speaking as soon as you do. So if you want to know how to create this one, please keep watching. To start out, we are making the beak of the parrot. And this is done with the yellow by Maron Paradise. As you can see, it is a lovely warm color of yellow. And once that beak is on there, we continue to lime green, also a color by Maron Paradise, to create the head and a part of the tail of our parrot. And the brush Simone is using to put most of the colors on today is the Linda brush by FBFX. It is one of the filbert brushes. On to red. This is the basic red, also by Maron Paradise, to create some of the tail feathers, and a bit of the dark blue by Maron Paradise for the end of the tail. The paws will be orange, and just put 2 of them on there. Then we continue to white. This one is by Diamond Effects for the eye. And a bit of blue for the iris of the eye. Now all the basics are on there. It is time for the outline, which is done with black by Diamond Effects. This is the Essential Black. And as you can see, he already starts to look pretty cute with that black outline. But obviously we need a bit more color. So this is the dark green, also by Maron Paradise, to just put a bit more color on that body of our parrot. And then it's time for some highlights with white. So just put a few stripes and teardrops on the body of the parrot, but also next to it to give it a bit extra. Of course, some stars and some dots. And we don't need any lipstick today, as this is a mouth design. But with that, our parrot face paint for today is done. So I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay tuned on all our videos.